Carter got the fire truck very stuck. Again. Last time this happened, we had to hire a company to come out and bring their heavy equipment and drag the truck up out of the ditch. Now we have our own heavy equipment, so today we're gonna go get the big excavator, bring it all the way up here to the front, and try and use it to drag the fire truck out of this ditch that Carter's dug. We have several obstacles in our way to get it here. We've got to cut another hole in the fence, there's a bunch of hills in the way, we've got to cross the driveway a few times with the excavator, which that is a problem because it's so heavy it'll actually tear up the driveway. And there's a very low power line in the way that I'm really hoping we can squeeze under with the excavator.
But before we show you guys how we got the fire truck unstuck, I need to show you guys how we got here in the first place. I was filming a video on how to build a water park using only $10.
My new plan is to use the T-Bar fire truck to make the most awesome rope swing you have ever seen. This thing's got a 100-foot ladder, so it's gonna be huge. This is a big truck!
But things weren't going to plan.
Oh no, I think I'm stuck.
With the fire truck stuck, I gotta figure out a new plan. Thankfully, I think I have a new idea.
Time to use this to pull the fire truck out so I can build my water park. My only hope now to build a water park is the monster truck needs to unstuck the fire truck. I hope this works.
So let's get started. All right, so last time we pulled those vertical fence posts out, we did it by hand. We've got this mini excavator, which we're going to use to just pluck them out of the ground, and hopefully that works really well. Alright, so this is where we're going to bring the large excavator through. Just like out front with the last gate, we're going to take out these segments of fence here, which gives us just enough room to bring the large excavator out and around and into this front field where the fire truck's parked. Yeah, there we go. Alright, so just like up front, we got to trim some more trees back. Well, now that was a lot easier. All right, so now we've got our pathway all ready for old big girl here to get through. So we're gonna fire it up and slowly make our way all the way to the fire truck. So here's the plan. We've got the big excavator up here. We made it fit under the power lines just perfectly. It was close, but it fit fine. We're gonna chain the fire truck from these two very heavy duty tow points to here, which is a very heavy tow point on the excavator. We're gonna fire up the excavator, fire up the fire truck, and we're going to try and just use the arm of the excavator to pull backwards and pull the fire truck up and out of the hole that it's in. Let's get it chained up and give it a shot. Let me get the fire truck started up so the brakes will start to air up and they won't be locked, because with air brakes, when you leave the truck off for a while, the air slowly leaks out of the system, and without air in the system, the brakes get stuck on, so they need air in order to release. All right, we're ready to get going. I think we're out of the hole. So I'm gonna try and back it up the rest of the way and get it out of the hole. I think we got it. Woo! We're tilling the earth. Holy moly. We're gonna hook it up again a little differently this time. We're gonna drag the fire truck a whole lot further.
There you go. Now the weight of the...
Yeah, that'll hold it on. It should hold, especially once we get weight on it. Yeah, give me something. So I know when it's getting loose. just, yeah, keep it on plane. For sure.
Yeah, it must be like softer right there.
You can see how low it is.
Yeah.
Alright, we're gonna try to keep it on plane and get it out of here.
So the fire truck is way too big to go down the main driveway at the TMR house, so we made a secret entrance over on this side where we can pull it out and onto the street.
Oh boy!
So we can drive it down the street a short distance and back onto the driveway the other side. So we got a big clearing here. He's about to just rip this thing through the gate and down the road, right back into the driveway. Yes! And she's free. And there's literally no business for us owning a fire truck like that, especially one that weighs 70,000 pounds and can get stuck literally anywhere.
Back to the garage. Mission success. Oh man, this is such a mess.